This is Sediq the barber with my first YouTube haircut tutorial. Here we have Aaron, and he asked for a mid fade. So let's get it. First, we're gonna start off with the first guideline, which would be the bold guideline. Being that it's a mid fade, you wanna start kind of at eyebrow level. Now I'm using my Andes Profoil shapers to get the skin completely bald. Alright, now we're gonna open the lever all the way, no guard, and we're gonna create our second guideline. You wanna make this guideline at least a finger length. Okay, now with the lever closed, we're gonna take that first guideline and push it up halfway in between that space, just to get out the bottom guideline. This may not take the first guideline out completely. You might need to adjust your level or go back to the trimmers that you put the guideline in with to take it out. Now with the lever halfway open, we're going to take out the rest of the guideline that is there. Don't be afraid to play with your lever to get that guideline out. Do what you need to do. Now with the one guard open, we're gonna make our second guideline. This isn't really that much of a guideline. Really, we're just taking off the rest of the bulk at the top. And then what we're gonna do is blend that line in between with the top and the bowl. Right now with the one guard closed, we are going to flick at the middle line to get it out. This isn't going to completely take it out, this is just going to make it a little bit more faint so that we could get it out with the next step. Okay, now with the half guard all the way closed, we're gonna flick at that line to get it completely out. Try not to go too high because you might risk raising the fade. So try to flick from the bottom of the line to the line and not too far above it. As you can see, it's starting to come together. It's starting to look a little blurry. Now, one of the most important steps at the end of your fade is detail work. You want to use the corners of your blade to just knock out any dark areas that you see to make the fade more fluent and even. Yes, sir. YouTube, this is the cut. Tell me what you think. Leave a like and a thumbs up. My Instagram is Sediq_the_barber. Snapchat, Prince2209. Until next time.